Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I'm Haishab Ali Khan. So this platform of CR Digital Classes will provide you a number of videos on different subjects so that you can get the complete command on the subject. So last few classes I've explained you about the topic joint venture. So complete theory I have explained on joint venture, features, differences, and what are the accounting procedure. All these things I've explained. Now I'm going to start the problems on joint venture. In examination, you may get a short problem and also a long problem on joint venture. The short problems will be only for 4 marks. It's very simple problem. So in this class, first very short problem I'm going to explain. This problem was asked in previous examination. So you can get a clue that this type of problems may be asked. So what is the problem? See here, X and Y are in joint venture. So two co-venturers are there, X and Y. Give the journal entries in the books of X from the following transaction. That means X is maintaining separate set of books. That means X is maintaining the joint venture transaction in his books. Now, the transactions are goods supplied by X to the joint venture from own stock 2000. That means X is one of the co-venturer. He is putting the goods from his own source, own stock into the joint venture. So entry will be joint venture account debtor. Now, what will be the entry? See here. Joint venture account debtor to purchases account. Remember, if the goods are purchased by paying cash, the entry would have been joint venture account debtor to bank. But here, the goods are not purchased. The goods are used from his own stock. That means purchase account should be credited. What is the value of the goods? 2000. Here you can write being the goods put into joint venture from own stock. That's all. This is the first entry. Second entry is expenses of the venture paid by Y. Actually, we are recording in the books of X. We have to record the journal entry in the books of X. Here, the expenses are paid not by X, but by Y. So all expenses will be debited to joint venture account. So entry will be joint venture account debtor to who is paying the expenses? Y is paying the expenses. Expenses paid by Y. So to Y's account. To Y's account. How much expenses paid? 1000. Being expenses paid by Y. That's all. So all expenses will be debited to joint venture account. Y is paying, Y's account is credited. So remember, whatever journal entries are there, you have to be perfect. Logically, you have to think what would be the entry. So this will carry 4 marks in examination. It's so simple. So my suggestion, before starting the problem, be perfect on the journal entries. So first problem we have completed, short problem on joint venture. So all the best on behalf of CR Publications.